You hear that humming? That humming is the refrigerator. Of course, we're also hearing kitchen sink over here. Beyond the scope, but the humming we're not hearing is this is our tankless water heater. And we're not hearing any sounds from it. It's set for 120. Did I just turn it on? Or did I just turn it off? Okay, I just turned it off and on, but only for a moment. But I don't hear it. I don't hear it. Since way before I started doing this video, it's hot. And if I use my imagination, it kind of feels warm. It doesn't feel like 120. It doesn't sound like the tankless water heater is operating. It's the same.